Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update your macOS version on your Mac. To do it, click on the Apple logo in top left corner, then click on System Settings. Then make sure you are in the General tab and click on Software Update. Then it will check for updates, and if there is any update available, it will be displayed here, and you can choose whether you want to update tonight or update now. I'm gonna select update now. Then I need to agree. And then it will start downloading the new update. It may take a while. After a while, the MacBook started to restart itself, and it will also take a while, and after that you'll be ready to use it. And the whole process took me about half an hour, with the downloading, verifying and installing the update, and now it's ready. I can unlock it and use it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.